Okay guys, welcome back to new video. For the past couple of months now, I've been seeing a lot of video claiming that you can make $100, even $1,000 by using making money app online. So in today's video, instead of me telling you that you can make this, go and download this app, I'm going to test out four different making money app online by downloading them and testing them. I will test this app by using 2 hours each on one app. The strategy I'm going to use in this video is very clear. I will go to Play Store and search for Make Money Online and download the first 2 apps that pop up. Then I will go to YouTube and look for how to make money with making money app online, and I will download 2 apps from those videos. Okay, let's go to Play Store now to download the app. Let's search for Make Money Online. We are going to download the first 2 apps that pop up. The first 2 apps we are going to download is Make Money Strategy, and the second app we are going to download is Make Money Cashapp. Now let's go to YouTube, and since we have already downloaded the 2 apps from the Play Store by searching for Make Money Online, then let's go to YouTube. After watching many video online about making money app, so I'm going to download these 2 apps. First app is Money SMS and the second app is Current Music. The first app claims that we can make money by receiving SMS on our phone. I don't know how that works. And the second app is Current Music. We are going to make money listening to music. Then we just do anything, we just play the music and make money. The third app is Money SMS and the fourth app is Current Music. Okay, now I just realized after I opened the first app, which is Make Money Strategy, that is just a blog teaching us on how to make money. It's not really survey or any kind of make money app. So we are not going to use this one. Let's move to the second app. This second app, we have to complete survey. In this second app, we can make money with 3 methods. The first one is complete a survey. The second one is to download the app. The third one is to download game on this app. So to complete a survey, we are going to complete a survey on this app. But for us to call, but on this website, on this app, they only give us 7 survey per day. After I completed 7 survey, I have to wait for another 24 hours before I can get another 7 survey, which I was able to make around 57,000 points for this 7 survey. And if I want to make money with the app, I have to download app. When I download this app, I still have to complete another survey on this app before I can make money on this Cashapp, which totally doesn't make any sense. And the game, if I downloaded the game, I have to play and reach a certain 13 level, which is very difficult to achieve. So if I downloaded this app and the game now, I'm just going to be making money for all these people. And on this app, I need 3.5 million points to make $5, and I can only get 57,000 points per day by completing 7 survey. So by completing 7 survey per day, I have to do this survey for 61 days before I can make $5 on this app. On this app, we can make money by watching video. I need 50,000 points to make $100 on this app, which sound good, right? And also, after I sign up on this app, they gave me 12,000 points as a sign up bonus. So now I only need 38,000 points to complete 50,000 points to make $100. But I need to watch video, and each video take about 1 minute, and 1 video is equal to 20 points. And doing this 20 point video, watching 20 point video, I have to watch this video for almost 10 hours per day for good 7 days in order to reach 38,000 points. And sometimes when you watch this video, they won't give you the point. You have to watch another video. So you will need about 15 to 30 days in order to reach this 38,000 plus 12,000 sign up bonus to make 50,000 points in order to make $100. And after you reach this 50,000 points, you need to wait for 12 to 21 days before you can get this money. So to make money on this app, you need about 2 months before you can make this $100. Now we just have to listen to music to make money. We only make 0.8 points per minute, so and we need 14,950 points to make $5 on this app. So for us to reach this goal, we need to listen to music for 12 days, 24 hours non-stop. In order to reach 14,950 points, we needed to make $5. So you need 14 days to make $5 with non-stop, which is not possible. And you can also make money by downloading app and completing surveying on this app. If you are downloading this app, some of this app you have to register. After you register, you still have to complete another task before they give you points on the current app. And if you download game on this app also, you have to reach certain level before you can receive the points on this app. Okay, now as a conclusion, let's see how much we are able to make on all these 4 apps, how much points are now the equivalent of the dollar we are able to make on this 4 apps. The first app is not make money app, so we don't make anything, we make $7 with this. The second app, we make 57,000 points, which is equivalent to $0.8. The third app, we make 12,770 points, which is equivalent to $25. And the last app, we make 342 points, which is equivalent to $0.11.